For your product to be relevant to somebody or some company or some market, it has to be value added. We at Ash Industries understand this. In fact, our whole existence is due to value added. Chances are that we're not going to compete with China making plastic spoons and forks, but with your product, your specific materials, and a manufacturing process that is critical to make your product happen, Ash Industries can add value. And that's something we do on a daily basis. Most manufacturing companies are focused on one thing: charge you for what's on the print. But Ash Industries goes the extra step. We want to help you optimize what's possible. And so we will look at the print and give you options that may not have been available before. It could be an option in materials, or an option in tooling, or maybe an option in the way an assembly fits together to achieve the design and to achieve the feel you want, but without all the money. Every day, new materials are becoming available. And we spend a tremendous amount of time studying those materials, testing the materials, running them in test applications. And so when your product arrives, we may very likely know exactly what's ideally suited to your particular application. Thank you for your time. I wish you the greatest of success.